Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we've got a lovely example of a Defender 19 stock. This one in particular is an X-Dynamic HSE 3-litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower, finished in the lovely Pangea Green. Starting at the front, we've got the Atlas Grey Defender branding, which contrasts lovely with the paint colour. That's the lower bumper as well. Being an X-Dynamic, you do get the added extra of all these gloss black arches just to give you that sportier aesthetic. 3D surround cameras on Defender as standard. This one does come with a few accessories, front and rear mud flaps, as well as fixed side steps. 20-inch satin grey alloy wheels that you do get as standard on HSE. And then just for a bit of styling, we've got the spoiler on the back, and a big option that is a massive selling point on Defender, that electrically deployable tow bar. This car does come with air suspension as well, so not only can you adjust the air suspension, you can obviously work the gubbins of the deployable tow bar in on the rear as well. You might not pick up on the video, big selling point again, olive interior on this one, something you don't see every day. And again, if you're looking for something a bit different, let's turn that down. If you are looking for something a bit different, look no further. Sliding panoramic roof, light Meridian headlining, heated and cooled seats from HSE, everything and more that you would want. 10-inch display, heated steering wheel, memory electric seats, and air suspension controls from the cockpit as well. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, also wireless charging, and then a fridge, because this car does come with the comfort and convenience pack. So all around a very, very nice car. It should be looking different. This is priced to sell, ready to go for immediate delivery. It's an X-Dynamic D250 HSE Defender 90. Should you have any questions, feel free to inquire online or call us on 01642 644.